The JOYSTAR 14-inch balance bike in pink is a perfect choice for boys and girls aged between 18 months and 5 years, offering a fun and efficient way to learn balance before transitioning to a pedal bike. The bike is designed with a low-step, lightweight steel frame that makes it easy for the little ones to get on and off. The 14-inch tires of the bike are made of EVA polymer foam, ensuring a smooth ride and being maintenance-free and puncture-proof for added safety. Comfort is prioritized with a soft padded seat and handlebars and an energy-saving wider footrest, making every ride enjoyable for the child. The seat and handlebar are adjustable, accommodating kids between 3 and 6 years, with seat height ranging between 15.0 and 18.9 inches, and handlebar height between 23.6 and 25.2 inches. The bike is easy to assemble, it comes partially installed with a user manual, and JOYSTAR offers a worry-free 12-month warranty and friendly customer service.